Assalamu alaikum. I am your teacher Wajahat from Herald City School, and I am going to teach you Computer Science of Sin Textbook Board for grade 9. Unit number 5, Computer Security and Ethics. And in this video I am going to teach you about these topics. Computer security. We store important data in our computers in the form of documents, pictures and programs. Therefore, we expect that all our information must remain safe and our computer runs properly without any problem. Some threats can cause problems for our computers. These threats can be different types of viruses for unauthorized use of information. Computer security is the protection against theft or damage to our computer hardware, software and information. Importance of computer security. Computer security is important for our computer's overall health and performance. It keeps our information protected and helps prevent viruses and malware. And it is important as it enables people to do their work in safe environment. Cybercrime. Cybercrime is a crime that is committed through a computer and network. Some examples of cybercrime are unauthorized access to information, stealing passwords and bank accounts, and online frauds. So cybercrime is illegal and punishable. In Pakistan, punishment of cybercrime is jail for 3 to 5 years with heavy fine. Hackers and crackers. Hacker is a person who has in-depth knowledge of computer system and can overcome a network to get access. There are two basic types of hackers and anti-hackers. And cracker is a person who bypass passwords or licenses and change source code. They commit it generally for money and fun. Computer crime in real life. Computer crime can range from an international threat to a personal offense. Like in 2013, 1 billion email accounts were hacked, and in 2017 a virus attacked National Health Service in United Kingdom. And on personal level, social media hacking is very common. Some of the computer crimes are hacking, scam, phishing and clickjacking and cyber harassment.